Before humans, before nations, before history had a name, there was silence. No cities, no mountains, no oceans, only the will of Allah. Time had not yet begun the way we understand it. The universe existed in a form beyond human imagination. Light and darkness moved by divine command, not by chance. And then Allah decided to create something extraordinary. Not angels of light, not beings of fire, but a creation that would think, choose, remember, forget, fall and rise again. A creation that would carry responsibility. This decision was not sudden. It was deliberate, purposeful, planned. Allah announced to the angels that he would place a successor on earth. The angels were surprised. They questioned, not in rebellion, but in curiosity. Will you place there one who causes corruption and sheds blood? And Allah replied with words that echo through history. I know what you do not know. This moment marks the beginning of humanity. Before the first human took breath, before footsteps touched the earth, a destiny was already written. Because humanity was never created by accident, it was created for a reason.